Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about temperature controller for Hobart part number 913149. The Vulcan Hart 913149 temperature controller is a digital temperature controller designed to provide precise temperature control for commercial cooking equipment. It is a single-stage, on-off controller with a temperature range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. The controller features an easy-to-read LCD display and simple push-button operation. It also has an adjustable temperature differential, deadband, of 1 degree Fahrenheit to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.5 degrees Celsius to 5.5 degrees Celsius. The 913149 temperature controller is designed for use with Vulcan Hart commercial cooking equipment, such as fryers. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a temperature controller for Vulcan Hart commercial ovens. It is designed to replace faulty or malfunctioning temperature controllers and can help to fix symptoms such as inaccurate temperature readings, erratic temperature fluctuations, and failure to maintain a consistent temperature. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the Vulcan Hart oven. 2. Remove the existing temperature controller from the oven and disconnect all wiring from it. 3. Install the new temperature controller by connecting all wiring to it according to the instructions provided with it. 4. Securely mount the new temperature controller in place and make sure that all connections are secure and tight. 5. Reconnect power to the oven and test the new temperature controller for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.